Hi YouTuber watchers. I know it has been a very long time since I did a YouTube video. But anyways, you see this wrinkled shirt, right? I'm gonna fix that. I saw a hack where you can still wear your t-shirt, but it's kind of like ironing, but a little bit different. So you take your spray bottle, and I'm gonna place this down, of course. See what you so I'm gonna spray. And then you just see this hair dryer. I'm gonna take it. I'm going to try to see if it works. Let's see if it works. I'm trying it. Well, this looks like it works. I'm gonna try this one. This wrinkle here, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna try get that one. So I'm gonna turn this off. Okay. See it, right? And turn it back on. Working, I can't tell. Please I'm trying my best. So I don't know how long that works. I don't know what's the difference. So yeah. Let me know if it works on you. If it doesn't, let me leave some comments down below if it works for you. I think it works for me. I'm not sure. Well, there's probably a few wrinkles. So yeah. Leave a thumbs up if you did like this video. By the way, it's almost Thanksgiving. If you didn't like this video, you can give one of those thumbs down if you didn't like this video. Alright, bye.